No, so ngayong gabi, i-check natin kung may Silver Executive Prime na ba under my team. O sige, so kung isa ka ng official onliner, magkakaroon ka ng account ID. So tingnan natin no kung meron ba. Ayan, grabe. Ready ka na? Ready ka na, Coach Geraldine?
I'm excited.
Ang nawong sa excited kaayo, oh. Mura magsi-coach dyan ang SE. O, tanawa. Sige, sige, ha. Wait lang, ha.
Lakay,
Oh.
short ako, short.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Wait, ha, wait. Wait, chararang! Teka.
Short na.
Yeah! Sure na sure. Ayan, grabe. Congratulations, Coach Geraldine Lumbay. SE or nag-rank up sa ating company Silver Executive Prime. So, be, ang naong sa kuan, be? Ay, grabe! Ayan, grabe, oy. Executive Prime na talaga, oh. Naara, Coach, oh. Tanawa, Coach, oh. Oh, ikaw na ikaw yan. Ikaw na ikaw yan, right? Oh. Sino ka dyan? Ay, grabe. Congratulations!